Hey guys, it's Gina and this is the first day of Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. And let's get this first day started. So we are going to Bath & Body Works right now to see if they have the 2 candles that I was no longer able to get online because they were sold out already before the sale even started, which is highly annoying because like you should know that you're having this huge sale, so you should get them in stock. But I did the rest of mine online. I'll show you. I might not show you what I got because they're kind of gifts, but we gotta give the dog some treats to go. So I'll give you those. Stop. Back up. Okay, back up, please. Back up. Sit. Sit. Thank you. And let's go. I don't know how well you could see me in that angle, but... Well, we did not end up finding those 2 candles, and that's all I really wanted to go for, so now I'm gonna go back to bed because it's super early. Alright, so I just woke up and ate. I literally took like a 3-hour nap. Don't know how that happened. I mean, I have been up since 5:45. I don't know why I've been up since 5:45. Sorry if this camera's shaky. I'm literally holding it with my hand. But we're gonna do some swatches of the Jeffree Star holiday collection, which is the Alien collection. And we're gonna do some lip swatches and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is Scandal. This is what this looks like. It's only cracking a little bit because my lips are super chapped. But this lip shade is amazing, to say the least. And this is the shade Can't Relate. It's very nice and nude shade. I really like it. I know it's weird that I don't have makeup on and I'm swatching them on my lips, but it's what I'm doing. Really like this shade as well. This is the shade Jeffree Who. It's very nice in a dark pink, which I really like. Nothing more I can say about it. His lipsticks go on and come off so freaking well. I love it. This is shade number 3. We have 4 more to go. And this is the shade Hi, How Are You? Or How Are You? It's a nice Christmassy red. It has some glitter in it, but like not a lot, but like some, but like not too much. But this is like the perfect red in my opinion. This one will probably stain taking it off. This is the shade Triggered. What it looks like, it's more of like a dark purple. It's not black because that he already has a black shade and that's weirdo. This is Triggered. 2 more. This is the shade Karma. It is a green, but like an army green, I would say. I think it looks really, it's different and it looks really cool actually. His lipsticks dry down so quick. We have 1 more and I'm excited for it. And this is the shade You're Still on the Property. It is a blue metallic and this shade is literally everything. I think it is amazing. Like, I didn't think I'd actually like it on, but I do. Jeffree Star did that. Those are his 7 liquid lips. Wait, I dropped one. There should be 8. There's one more. And lastly, this is the shade Clout. This is a metallic purple, and it looks so good. I love it. I love all of his liquid lipstick shades. Now, those are the 8 liquid lipsticks, and I just swatched them all for you. On my lips, too, so my lips are very dry right now. Very dry. Alright, so we're taking off the last liquid lipstick. And then I'm gonna douse my lips in chapstick. Cause my lips are so chapped, so discolored. It is ridiculous. I'm taking a tissue and dabbing it onto my lips. Taking my White Beauty lips chapstick. Ugh, that feels so good. I would show you a sneak peek of my lipstick drawer, but for Vlogmas I will also be showing you my makeup collection, so we're not gonna do that. I think that's all I'm really gonna be doing, other than when my mom gets home, I'll be opening up my Sephora play box. I'll go show you. So, I have you guys on my tripod. Let's go show you what the Sephora, not play box, but the advent calendar looks like. This is what the advent calendar looks like. We're gonna be opening wherever day 1 is. Oh, it's right here. We're gonna be opening up this one and we're gonna be seeing what's in there, but we're not gonna be doing that right now. But what I can do is I have this little advent calendar and I can put the number 1 on there. So let's see what it is. It is a little teddy bear. I've had this advent calendar. I'm gonna set you up since I have the tripod. And we're gonna fix you. I've had this can't talk. I've had this advent calendar since I was very little. Maybe my parents had it before I was little, but I loved it, and we're literally just going to put it right here. Just a little teddy bear. It used to light up and it used to spin, because I'll show you. Let me take this off. I'll see if it does it. I'll show you what it does. Did you see that? Yeah, it doesn't do that anymore. So I'm gonna go grab that angel and then put it back on top. So that was the end of Vlogmas Day 1. I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next video.